Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys, I will show you how to transfer money from Nedbank. So friends, first step, log in your account, go to official website and log in your account with your informations. Log in your account guys, your ID and password. After that guys, click tap on transfer, select on transfer option from your account until your amount you want to transfer, then choose your account from which you want to transfer, then until you want to transfer, choose the account you want to transfer and select your data that must be made, and then click next. You will see transfer a review screen and tap transfer. For mobile application guys, click the send option, send money option. From here, then log in your account, choose the account from which you transfer and select your data and then click next. This is how you can do guys. This is easy step and simple steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Keep watching.